going on about?
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping.
Hello lovely people, wagwan. This year my job is not having a Christmas party, rightfully so, because we're in a pandemic. But I still wanted to do this look anyway. I love creating holiday looks, and people are still, you know, they still have their little get-togethers and stuff. So if anyone wanted to do a holiday look, I'm here to show you how, baby. Let me stop. Let me just drink some. I just had to take a sip of that tea real quick because it's early in the morning. My little one is doing online school. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, when I think of holiday glam, I think of the Jackie Aina palette. The Jackie Aina palette screams holiday glam to me. Just look at the colors in here. Just look at the colors. The colors are just so pretty. I especially love Zam. Let me see if I could point to it. Crap. I especially love Zam. This color right here, I think it's so pretty. But all the colors in here are just so pretty, and it screams holiday. Especially this row right here. These three colors, they just scream holiday. So I think, let me see what colors I'm gonna use today. Or maybe I'll just do Credit Ginger and Zam. We'll see, we'll see. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got it in my tea. Can't buy that enough. Where is my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush? We're just gonna have to work with what we got. Y'all, I just realized I didn't even put any primer on my eyes before I put the eyeshadows on. But the beauty of the Jackie Aina palette is because the colors in there are so pigmented, you can't even really tell the difference. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX base, and that's the shade. I found it, y'all. I found it. If you do makeup, you know the excitement, you know the joy you feel when you find a tool that you really need to finish a look. I love this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's like a 2-in-1. This is perfect for like doing transition shades, and this is perfect for like putting the shade over your cut crease. So I'm so happy I found it, y'all. All right, now I know the look is gonna turn out good. Let's continue. Going in with Zam. Going in with Zam. Zammy, Zammy, Zammy. Look at that beautiful shimmer. This screams holiday. Look at that beautiful shimmer. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It is so, Zam is such a beautiful color. It is such a stunning color. If this doesn't scream holiday, I don't know what does. This color is just so beautiful. All right, let's move on. I think I'm gonna do liner and definitely lashes, and then we're gonna finish up the face and come on right back. I forgot to blend out the edges, y'all. I'm gonna go back into credit and then blend out the edges. I can still fix it even though I put the liner on. I just gotta work my way around. Okay, there it goes, all fixed. All right, so today I'm gonna be using the lashes from McKiwi. These lashes right here, they are so pretty. The case is just so pretty as well. Adhesive glue. That's the one I had on hand. And my handy dandy tweezer. You know, I need to do an updated how I apply my lashes. It's so different than how I used to apply it a year ago. Yeah, I'll put a little glue in my hand and I take the back of the tweezer and I think I put too much glue on my hand, and I just kind of rub it over the lash like so. And then I let it dry down for about 20 seconds and then I apply it. Okay, and then I have my mirror. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 332. Then I'm gonna highlight my T-zone area under here, with the Fenty concealer in the shade 340. And then I'm gonna contour with the e.l.f. contour palette. I'm gonna use these two shades right here. yeah, this is the final look. The sun is really shining in here, but this is the final look. I decided to go with a red lip because, you know, for me, red just screams holidays. Like, red screams holidays, gold color, shivers, glitter, that just screams holidays. So that's why I decided to go with the red lip. I think that this is the perfect holiday look, and I'm kind of bummed that my job isn't having a holiday party this year, because this is the makeup I would have went with. And maybe not this hair. I mean, this hair is cute and all, but I probably would have had an updo or something, you know. Yeah, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can go ahead and share it out. You know, I know with Vlogmas you don't get as many views because you're posting every single day, and it's a lot for people to watch videos every single day. So I will be putting my Vlogmas in a playlist. I've been doing that since the beginning, but I haven't like verbalized it. So I will be putting all my Vlogmases in a playlist. You can just click on playlist, click on the first video, and just let it all run, and you'll see all my Vlogmases. That way you don't have to keep clicking it. So if you missed any, just go to the playlist and you'll see all my Vlogmas listed there. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you guys are, you know, if your job is having Christmas parties, or what's going on this year. I know the pandemic put a damper on things, but what's going on with everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.